Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, honey, it has been a super long time since I have been on here. I want to thank everybody that has still subscribed to my channel, been commenting, looking for me, and messaging me. I love all of you guys. For those of you who've been riding real hard with me, for those of you who are just now joining me, welcome to this channel. We are doing some new things this year. I had to take a break, you guys. Like, you know, life in general. Y'all know what, some of y'all know what's going on. But just life in general. So I'm glad that I'm back. I got a couple looks in store. I'm trying to bring back the color. But in this video, I wanted to share with you guys this, honey. This blonde baby. Y'all see this luster? Do y'all see this? Look at this. Look, y'all see that? Do y'all see that luster? I don't think y'all see that, baby. Do y'all? Am I being extra? I think blonde does it to you. Blonde make you real extra. Like, it makes you super extra. But that's okay. But, y'all, let's talk about this hair real quick. I do have a coloring tutorial, which I'm going to put after this. So, if you guys want to skip the talk, go ahead and get to the tutorial. I will leave where it starts right here for you guys. So, this hair is actually from Hair Company. I received 3 bundles in total, as well as the frontal. The frontal is 16 inches. My longest bundle is 22, so I have 2 22s as well as a 20-inch bundle. Now, I use all bundles. Yeah, I use all bundles. I was trying to use 2, but I will say I noticed that compared to regular 1B hair, you get less Eurasian in general. Obviously, the longer your bundles. Anyway. But I noticed you get way less hair. So I had to use 3 bundles just to make it work. Because I really wasn't thinking. I should have just spaced it out in the back. But hey, she made it work. I did decide that I wanted to go ahead and tone the hair. Because I did not like... I don't like that blonde, that yellow blonde look. I hate that look. Like, I feel like it just looks so ratchet. I just don't like it. It looks like somebody just took the hair and just threw it on somebody's head. Like, I really don't like that look on anybody. So I did want to customize it for my preference. And my preference was to just tone it to a blonde, like a true blonde. So I did use a few toners from Sally's, which you will see when I'm coloring it. And then I ended up getting a dark brown, which I used for the roots. Now, in the video, you won't see me color the hair the way I have it now, because I ended up having to go back a second time and redo it once the unit, once the unit was constructed. So once the unit was constructed, I left it on the head. I stared at it a little bit, and I was not feeling these dark roots for the frontal, and then this blonde bundles, like, you know, the beginning bundles. So I just, like, if I look at YouTube videos, and I was trying to see how people were coloring it. And overall, a lot of people were not coloring their bundles, like, you know, darkening the roots of it. They were leaving them blonde. To me personally, it's just really, it was not cute. Because if it, you know, if the wind blew or whatever, it doesn't look unified. And so my goal was to make it look as unified as possible. So if I were to put it up in a ponytail, you know, or anything, or like twist it up, it would make, you know, it would definitely work for me. Because, you know, I plan on, you know, doing what I do with this wig. That I just like to wear, or have the freedom to be able to wear updo or not. But you guys will see that, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. Overall, love the hair, you guys. You guys know how I feel about some blondes. I was here for, even though I was terrified as hell when I first received these damn bundles. I ain't even going to lie, because I was trying to figure out what the hell was I going to do, and how was I going to get that yellow out. Like, because it's a blonde, but it's like a golden. And I like a true blonde. If I'm going to wear a blonde, I definitely want that brassiness out. And so if you think that when you get some bundles, you're not going to have to do anything to it, that is terribly wrong. Make sure you find somebody that knows what they're doing. I mean, this is my first time working with it, but hey, it is what it is. It's definitely a learning experience for anyone. So definitely, if you have any questions, let me know down below. Let me know what you think. And please go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe, honey, so you can get some good uploads I got coming. Got more colorful looks for those of you who've been joining me on my live. And I miss you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.
Alright, so I did go to the, I went to go get my color from Sally's Beauty Supply. So what we're going to do is take this hair. You guys already know this hair is from my hair company. And I used a total of a bottle per bundle, technically, as far as the toner. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and take it out the package. And then the highest developer that I'm going to use will be a 20. You know, it's a learning process, but if you're trying to deposit color, you definitely don't have to use a high volume developer. So I'm mixing the 20, which you can also get from Sally's Beauty Supply. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up with the toner. Now for the first bundle, I'm actually mixing T35. Make sure it's like a real nice consistent. Now when I'm applying this color, you will see me speed through the video, you guys, because I honestly think that you guys know how to color hair and tone it. So I feel like this was fairly simple. I don't want to spend so much time on coloring it. I really just want to focus more so on the process of the frontal, you know, whatnot. Alright, you guys, so I'm going in and applying the toning out the hair. Now I will say, just off back, what I did notice about the bundles, like I did receive a total of 3 bundles in a closure, and I did have, this is going to be the longest bundle, which is a 22-inch. The one thing that I did not like, that I did notice, shall I say, is that the bundles appeared cut. So they already have like this blunt cut, and so I wish I would have done a styling video to kind of take that bluntness away, but I did have to end up shaping the hair itself just to give it some body so it doesn't have that, you know, straight across effect. Alright, so I went ahead and applied the T35 color, and I'm just going to go ahead and take the second bundle out. Now this is also a 22-inch bundle. Now, I did not have any more T35 toner, so I don't know why. Something told me to pick up more, but I don't know why. I just felt like I had some at the house. So I ended up getting T27, not thinking it was going to be that much of a difference when, you know, applying it. So I'm going to go in and go ahead and set it with a T27 toner, and you guys are actually going to be able to see the difference. This is actually a very big learning experience, and this is why I actually went in a second time, which I did not film, to retone the hair. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, the first bundle is already turning, and so I'm just adding that, finishing up adding the product. And what I noticed, just to get it processing a lot faster, I just took my comb just to make sure it was evenly applied onto the hair. One mistake that I made is in the first bundle, you will see that I kept that gold tie on, so it really makes you use a lot more product, for one, and then also it's not going to seep into the bundle tracks itself, like where the wefts start. It's not going to seep there, so you do want to make sure you at least take that gold bundle off, and then go ahead and apply it and make sure it's applied on the whole bundle itself, and that's what I ended up doing, and I felt like it worked a lot better. Alright, you guys, so I want to get straight into the frontal, so I did go ahead and skip pieces of the color in the hair, because you guys, y'all done seen that before, so it ain't nothing new. I'm going to list all the products down below. So what I'm doing, I did go ahead and add my toner to the, if I can think, I added my toner to the frontal, just on the ends, because I wanted to go ahead and color the roots. Now, I do suggest if you're going to color your frontal, do that first and then do the ends, just so it can make the parting process a lot smoother. Now, what I did, I started with the comb, I'm sorry, not a comb, with the brush, and then I ended up going to get a toothbrush to apply the color, just so it can get down to the roots. Now, with this method, honestly, you have to take your time. Now, I didn't take as much time as I should, but honestly, it's very, very time consuming to do and to focus on the roots the way I did even in this video. It took me about, I would say, a good 35 minutes, because I was just trying to be super. Would take one part, put it on one side, then flip it over, put it on the other. I learned that doing it that way helped the color saturate the roots a lot better. Now, with the frontal, you also do not have to bleach the knots, obviously, because the hair comes so light anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward through this process so you guys can see the full, tutorial.
Alright, you guys, so I practically finished all of it, and as you can see, my shirt, y'all don't judge me. This is like my bleached out shirt when I be doing dishes and coloring hair and stuff, I know y'all got a raggedy shirt around the house. So as you see, I started doing the roots, like the front first. This is pretty much how I did the color. Now, one thing I will say, I wish I would have went a little bit back for like the center and darkened it up a little bit more. And it does look extremely dark, obviously, because of that color. But when you guys see the finished results, like it's so not that dark. And so you guys, this is how it looked after I got done. Now, I did do a second processing, and I will definitely come back for a review and final thoughts. Y'all let me know what you think. If you want more styling videos, give it a thumbs up. And please share. I love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.